Hello everyone, welcome to this new section. So we will see stacked column chart here. I have this data from sample superstore database. So I will click on this stacked column chart. You will get this column chart, stacked column chart. You will get the chart here. So you have to just pull the data in the x-axis. I will pull support segment. Then in the y-axis I will take the sales, and in the region section I need this region. Suppose this one bar has been differentiated into different regions. So this chart is showing now consumer the sales by consumer for different regions. Okay, so this is nothing but a stack column chart. Okay, this is a stacked column chart. So I can change the values here. Okay, y-axis. I can format the stacked column chart. So data labels, if you want to see the data labels, the values inside this stack, so you can on this, you can see the data labels has been on, and size we can increase. Okay, color we can increase, units, workflow text. So total levels, once I on this total levels, you can see the total of this whole bar has been displayed here. See, okay. So that's it for the stack column chart. Thank you for watching.